25 days out from NPK. Looks like we got some new tires. Who are these from?
Delivery straight from Hoosier.
Woo. There goes slicks. Look at those. Going on that bad boy right there. Nice.
I got my tools.
Need some help?
No, you're good. The NICs on the bolts. Yeah. Shit. A little goes everywhere. I ain't never been able to see somebody use a little bit of NICs and not end up everywhere else. Have you ever heard of 12 stakes?
No, is it here?
No, it's in Dallas. My buddies, you know KY and Fat Boy and all them?
Yeah.
I've introduced you to them?
Yeah.
It was Fat Boy's birthday.
Oh,
They went, it's a Brazil, it's like Fogo de Chão, Texas Day, Brazil type place.
Did you go there?
No, actually I was across the street.
Oh. Right.
Yeah, it was crazy that I was like literally across the street from them. Huh. Did it open? You were just out there, huh?
Yeah, probably forgot to close it.
Do you mean take that step to the studio in the morning? I do you? Okay. Hey, we're gonna have to take that fin off of there. It's 56 1/8 is the door. The stacker, 56. Because I went there this morning. I didn't. That's why I was telling you I can go in the morning again. I went and got the shit that I needed. They looked like they were getting ready to start doing the generator compartment.
You guys filming today?
I told them we don't really have. We gotta wait.
Yeah.
Rear end's a powder coat. I don't have enough to do. I think to film. So I told them just to wait. I said, but I mean, I may need to do pickups or something anyway. But
Sean rig looks good. I saw it going down the highway.
yeah,
Texted him, I was like, man, it looks really good.
it's all oil.
We figured out that.
Oh, it's oil.
Yeah, hydraulic. Maybe.
Yeah.
His rig looks good, but if it's gonna kill him to drive it, I don't know if that's worth it.
Yeah, I would look at it. It's out Saturday night.
Did
Steve called me this morning. I have to talk to him again, but we don't know what stator to put in that.
yeah, I was gonna take that apart. And,
He told me 32,
so I could load one with, but which one you want in the car? No, but we got two steel ones. Yeah, we can put one normal that we know
yeah,
you know how to go fast with.
put the same. I don't care.
Yeah. So put the same one in it for right now, and then
Yeah.
load the other one with the 32. And I'm gonna write big on it.
Did we get anything yet?
Not that. No, I haven't seen anything. What are you looking for? No, I have not seen it. Hey, there was a sign Saturday deliver FedEx. I heard we gotta wait for the 7 deal, and he's like, it'd be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your old car, your old Pro Mod, man, put it in the winter circle.
Try to find some coffee.
Go back there. But yeah, your Pro Mod finally got a win.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jamie's gonna get a custom.
Hey, Javi, what are you going to torque those at?
Man, I feel like across the board, everybody can tell you 20, 25. I don't know, man. 23, man. I'm a Michael Jordan fan. 23.
Right, 23.
23.
What size of tires are they?
Hoosier 36, man.
36.
Supposedly, some people can't fit these. I don't know, man. I think you can make whatever you want fit. Depends how bad you want to make them fit. It got so bad that I think you get a weight penalty for running these. I feel like it's a crack of shit.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's not my fault you don't try to make this tire fit, or you can't make it work. So you go to the track, go figure it out. Or figure it out in your shop and then go to the track.
Right.